Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. You have to start by restart the audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Spotify. Now we should remove it from the cache and open it again. Check it, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, open the application, click on your headphones here and go to updates. Make sure that you have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, open settings, connected devices, click this settings icon here, and make sure that you have enabled media audio here, and also you can enable this access. Sometimes it helps. The second one, if also it didn't help you, try to restart your phone. Maybe it fixed your problem. And the last one, what we can do, is go to the settings and now make a hard reset. So put your earbuds to the case, to the charging case, and now press and hold this connection button until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go, we're having it now. We should remove these headphones from the list. So click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS. Forget device. Now pair a new device and we can see it at the device list, so just click on it and pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!